Ever wondered how crucial a digital marketing strategy can be for your company's growth and success? In an age where digital presence is not optional, a well-crafted strategy can be a game changer. It's the roadmap to reach your target audience, amplify your brand's visibility, and ultimately boost sales. Think of it as your digital compass, guiding you through the vast online landscape. Without it, you risk getting lost in the crowd. Now that we understand the significance, let's look at a company that has reaped the benefits of an effective digital marketing strategy. Consider the success story of Airbnb, a company that revolutionized the hospitality industry through its innovative digital marketing strategy. Airbnb didn't just offer a platform for people to rent out their homes, it created an engaging story around the concept of belonging anywhere. This narrative was woven into all aspects of their digital marketing, from content on their blog to social media posts and search engine optimization. Their blog posts and social media content didn't just promote their services. They offered travel tips, featured unique homes, and shared personal stories of hosts and guests. Through SEO, they ensured their platform was easily discoverable to people looking for unique travel experiences. And with email marketing, they stayed connected with their user base, providing updates, recommendations, and personalized offers. All these efforts were part of an integrated strategy that helped Airbnb stand out from the competition, increase its market share, and build a loyal user base. Airbnb's story is a testament to the power of a well-executed digital marketing strategy. So, what can we learn from Airbnb's success? The importance of a solid digital marketing strategy cannot be overstated. It's the compass that guides your company towards growth and success. Airbnb, for instance, harnessed this tool to its advantage, creating brand awareness and driving customer engagement. It's about understanding your audience, crafting compelling content, and leveraging the right digital channels. Remember, a strong digital marketing strategy can be the key to unlocking your company's potential. Make sure to craft yours wisely.